everything bears fruit after its kind. Mango, we know mango by its fruit. We know cashew, we know apple by their fruit. By their fruit we shall. So you don't need to, I don't need to live with you to know the kind of seeds you are planting. I only need to see the fruit or the trees growing around your garden. I'll know what to plant it. Don't tell me that I don't know why gossip, people come to gossip around me. They come to tell me a story I don't want to hear. You put out a seed there. And to that extent, since everything bears after its fruit, it is not in the harvest, it's in the seed. So if you don't like the harvest you have, you change the seed. It's the law of cause and effect. So if I find that I'm producing things or things growing around me that is not my style, it's not what I want, then it's so simple. Change the seed you put out there, then you will change the harvest around you. Fruit tree that yields fruit according to its kind, whose seed is in itself. In other words, everything that God created carries